we're back today. And today, we're going to be looking for doggy summer supplies. So right now, I'm looking at a Life Jackets. I kind of don't really care what color it is. I just want one that's two-handed. That's expensive. It is a fishy one. Kind of cute, but it's a little expensive, don't you think? Plus, I need a medium in that. Oh, this is 14. Oh, these are in like the cheap kind of ones. So this one is pink and is in puppy paws. Whoa, they got in blue too. Like, what the heck was that? What did I click? Hey, thingy. They have blue. Low key, kind of cute. What is in the cart? I did not put anything in the cart. I'm mad about this. Lots of something. Why is it not working? I have the blue one in the cart. Remove. Remove. There's thousands of things in here. Okay. Things that I wanted, that I needed. Don't want that. Okay. What the heck? Add a cart. That's one to cart. So. Guys, probably wondering why I have glasses on. So, people don't know this, and I don't think even people in school know this. I wear contacts. I don't wear different colored ones. I just wear natural ones. I just wear ones that match my eye color that around. And yeah, they help me see. Lights. I'm gonna shut the door. Guys, I'm filming. I couldn't shut the door. I couldn't shut the door. Okay, because I had to take these off. Alright, so I got that in the cart. Got one. Oh, I didn't put what size. I didn't put what size. We're not going to need any jackets. She has way too many clothes. There's jackets in this selection. can probably tighten it. Alright. So now we are going to look at doggy pool toys. Alright. How do you spell dog? Dog pool toys. Pretty cool. Nice, pretty cool. Okay, so there's like this lighthouse thing, but it's $28. Oh, this is cool. I'm like looking in kind of. I searched puppy. You guys can search doggy, but I searched puppy because Rosie's a puppy still. She's a year old. When they hit 2, they're a full-grown dog. And these are kind of like what she would want. What she would have fun with. I don't know. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm seeing some stuff that she would like. We already have one pool toy for her, and she's not really interested in it. And she can't go in the pool. I mean, when we got her, it was summertime. We got her when she was a full puppy. Actual puppy, like when she was born. And so, yeah. Oh, my bat fell. I heard something. I don't know what. And we tried putting her in the pool, and she literally almost drowned. But I was like with her, and I was like holding her. Like I put her in the pool with me. I like jumped in with her in my arms. And I let go of her because I thought she knew how to swim, and my dad was in there with me. And she started whining, and started like, her body started like sinking, and she started keeping herself up, and she just couldn't do it. So we had to grab a floaty and put her on it. This is a little ring for a baby. It's pretty cute. It's not a ring for a baby. It's like a little thing where you put the dog in it and they can float in it. It's only $9.99. Plus it comes with there are 2 items in the cart. Let's see. Now we need a pool toy. This looks fun. Blue. I know she's gonna want it. Red. What does red look like to them? I'm just so curious. Oh, oopsies. Yeah, I'm wanting blue, and it's giving me green. I don't want that. That's $323. I want the rings. And just added that $323 ring. So. I've seen stuff that she would like. I'm not sure how to go after. I want something that she's able to actually grab. Not like if she can't grab. I want something kind of cheap though. Let's see. The octopus. Okay. This cart. My hip is itchy so bad. 3 items in the cart. Alright. So. We need a bunch of pool toys, kind of. Outdoor swimming pool, bathing tub, portable, foldable idea for. It's $32 though. But we already have a giant pool. One dog, one bone, dog pool, $842. That means it's really big. Alrighty. I know she'll want these. We got these for Petey in the pool once. He popped them for, though. Petey knows how to swim though. I taught him. We've had Petey since he was a puppy. $51. All right. So I'm going to show you guys what all I put in the cart and that we're probably gonna all need for Rosie and maybe Petey. I know these floaties are not for Petey. He's not getting them. So whenever Rosie's in the pool with these, we're letting Petey out. We can maybe try with him, but I don't think so. Alright, so we have 4 items in the pool. So, we shall see. Alright. Alright. So, grab you guys. So, I don't know if you guys can see or not, but we got the Pet Cat Dog Life Jacket Swimming Float Vest Coat with Relief Strap. So, and then we got cute cartoon animal dog shape dog swimming ring. I think babies can go in it too. And then we got pet floaties, jellyfish. Oh, I thought that was a squid. Fetch dog pool toy. The USA Toys inflatable pool floaties, 3-pack swimming rings, and pet themed designs. So, I'm going to grab this. I'm going to take these off. That was the... Let me grab the tablet, the computer first. Ow, I ran over my foot. Alright. And I'm getting an allowance, so I might keep these in the cart actually for me to pay for. Not sure. Door. Omi, have a question for you. I'm filming. I don't have one. What is that? The bird?
Yeah.
So, I press something. You know me, Preston. No? Well done, peoples. Okay, so. You can watch me. Mm-hmm. So, you know how Rosie and I've been wanting to teach her how to swim in the pool?
Okay.
So, I went on Walmart. Just drop that. I went on Walmart.com. Go all the way down. And I found this. I chose blue because I know she looks really good in blue, and I just imagined the pink one on her, and I said, no. And I imagined the blue on her, because you know she looks really good in that blue jacket. Mm-hmm. I figured she would look better in this one than the pink one, because I really like it. And she has a purple one that's too small on her, and I don't like how it looks on her. So I found this one, and it's the cheapest one on there, but they have it in her size. It's $13.20, and then I don't know if we'll really need this, but she might pop it, but it's a little doggy ring. They had a German Shepherd one, but it was $42, and this one was only $9.89.
It's a what?
It's a little ring for dogs, dogs like her size, like a small dog kind of, or like a medium-sized dog. You put them in there, and you can push them around in there, and they'll have some fun. I could imagine Rosie having fun on there. A little fetch toy. Ugh. I've gotten Petey those before, and he kind of popped them. But Rosie would probably have fun with them, honestly. Because I have something kind of like this, and it's like a basketball hoop, and you put it in the pool, and you like shoot the little things in there.
Yeah.
And Rosie has fun with them, because you can also like set it on the grass, and like they'll throw it in. It's pretty fun. Me and Rosie have fun with that. And that's it. 4 items. It says it right there. Right there. I didn't buy them. I just added them to the cart so I could save them to show you to them. I was pretty smart, huh?
Yeah. It's a lot of money.
Isn't it?
Well, you better save up your allowance.
Yeah, I'm keeping them in the cart, and you still need to give it to me, because I've done a lot to earn that allowance that you told me. I've done everything you told me to do.
Okay.
I think tomorrow you should give it to me. I think tonight you guys should ghost me. Oh, it went to $51. $51 and 15 cents. I almost said 14. 50. Maybe. And 15 cents, not 14, 15. Ow! I ran over my foot again with that. So. I did it again. Okay. I'm going to ask my mom to replace this chair. But. Oh, I hit my hand on it. Sorry, guys. Setting up wrong. Don't fall. Alright. Get my glasses. And read this. Put myself in the eyeball. So. Yeah. Might get Rosie, and I'll show you guys our pool. I know all that's going to fit in there, because 4 floaties can fit in our pool. Our pool's 6 feet deep. It's not 6 feet. I think it's 5 foot. I think it's 5 feet deep, not 6 feet. Putting some lotion on. I'll show you guys Rosie, and I shall show you guys our pool. we're not gonna go in it. I'm just gonna show you guys it, and I'll show you guys the inside. Let's see. Right. This is Rosie. She's sleeping. Here goes. Oh, wait, I got glasses.
You got my glasses for your reading eyes.
Okay. Now it's blurry. Now, I'll show you guys our pool. Our pool's giant. I mean, giant. It might look a little small on camera, because I've showed you guys this on camera and it looks tiny, but it is giant. Giant. It can fit our whole family in there, probably, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Because on the thingy, we got this for $2,000, I think. This is our pool. It's giant, but it's really freezing. I touched algae. There's algae in it. We have to clean it again. It took us over 3 weeks to get that whole pool cleaned last summer. Because, oh, there's just a bee stinger laying on rock. And I almost stepped on it. It's probably old. Rosie probably got stung and it fell out. She's not terrified at all. Yeah, that was our pool. Hey, girl. So, go in my room and maybe we'll do the outro. One-day delivery for the rings. 2-day delivery. One-day delivery, 1-day delivery. So, the octopus. So if I got these today, they would be here tomorrow. Does that make sense? I don't know. But, alright. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you're notified when I post a new video. And yeah. So, sad part. Bye, unicorns. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, unicorns. Peace.